what's up there, crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So today's question came from Jeff. And Jeff's question was, Matt, when you got started in your business, at what point did you know that this is what you wanted to do? Okay, so Jeff's question came from, he's been in the business for a little while, about 6 months, and the business hasn't taken off yet. So trying to find out at what point in my business did I see that it was going to take off and really know it. And that's a pretty easy one for me. Where I knew, and this is going to sound weird, okay? Where I really knew that this business is going to work for me is when it failed. I know that sounds weird, right? But when I started out with the pacifier idea and the business was a complete failure and I didn't sell any of them, it motivated me to really push to find a way to make it happen. Like I've told many of you, I'm probably the sorest loser you've ever met. I don't lose, okay? And I get pissed when I lose. And if I do lose, I'm going to find a way to win and find a way to make it work. So does that mean I put in a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of time, that was my entire life for years? Yes, 100% it was. And this is a business that you can't just work a few hours and be good with it if you want it to be a full-time business. Now, if you want to make some money on the side and have a little supplemental income, hey, no problem. And that's not a bad thing, and it's a good thing. Like, as you know, I was a teacher, so a teacher needs to have some type of supplemental income. But then I got to the point where I loved it so much, and I enjoyed it, and I loved kind of being my own boss and doing... Now, and that's another thing. You'll always hear, oh, you own your own business. You can work whenever you want. Yeah, you know when that is? It's 24 freaking hours a day, right? You guys know how it is. And if you're not that way right now, you're going to have to put in the time to get that way. You're going to fail. And you're going to fail a lot, okay? I failed a lot. I messed up a lot. I screwed up a lot of things. I did a lot of stupid things that cost the business a lot of money. But I learned from all those things. And that's what made the business and me better. Okay, so you're going to make mistakes. You're going to fail. If you're not failing, you're not trying. Okay, I get so many people that will talk to me and say, oh, I haven't opened my cutter yet, or I haven't opened my heat press, or I've had the software for 3 months and I haven't started it yet. I don't know if that was a good purchase. Well, of course it wasn't a good purchase. You haven't even tried it yet. You have to get in there and break stuff and make it not work and waste material and push the wrong buttons in the software and get frustrated. And that's the only way it's going to be successful. If you don't do that, I'm telling you right now, you have no chance. Have a plan, make a plan, okay? If you don't have a plan, then plan to fail. That's the way I look at it. I always, every minute that I'm not working, I'm not saying this is a good thing, but every minute that I am not doing work, I feel like somebody else is working, they're getting better than me. So that's why I always work. That's why this never turns off. I'm always thinking of new things. And I'm always thinking of new things. Not things that I can copy from other people. I'm thinking of new things. I came in this business late. There's a lot of businesses out there that have been around a lot longer than me. But we're better than most of them because we're always thinking of new things. We're not just riding on that same stuff that we've had forever. And that's the nice thing about me and what we've done is I started it from nothing, so I know everything that you have to do. There's so many businesses out there that they were given the business or they got into. They've never sold a shirt in their life. They never sold decals. They tell you how to sell them, but they've never done it themselves. So how can they tell you? So Jeff, you have to put in the time. It's not going to, no matter what, nothing's going to be an overnight success. Everybody's looking for a quick buck. It's not going to be a quick buck. You're going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to put in the time. It might be 6 months. It might be 2 years. It might be 5 years. As long as you keep at it, it's going to happen. Eventually, it's going to keep growing. But you have to go out and get the business. The business is not going to come to you. I don't care how amazing of products you have. If they don't know about it, they can't buy it. All right? So hopefully this helps you out, Jeff. Just get out there. Grind every day. Grind every day. Grind. Go out, find business everywhere you are. Talk to people about what you do, and I promise. My goal was I would talk to 100 people about it, and if one person said yes, that was a success because I got one more person. You're going to get no's 99 times, but if one person says yes, that's all I needed. You're going to fail, but keep failing and then you'll succeed. So there you go. Pretty simple, right? Put in the work. Eventually it's going to pay off. But thanks for watching, guys. Please, 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 if you like these Ask Matts, hey, it's Ask Matt. You ask me, I tell you. That's my goal. I want to help you. So comment below. Ask me anything you want, okay? Ask me anything you want. Comment below right here on this video. That's what these are for, to help all of you and to push you through slow times or push you through times where you're having difficulty thinking of designs or how to get into different schools or build your business or social media. That's what we're here for. I'm not saying everything I did was perfect, but it might help a lot of you, and that's my goal, all right? So comment below. Ask me some more questions. I'm going to be here Monday through Friday, every day, helping all of you. And remember, Cameo giveaway every week. Is that freaking insane? It's insane. You know it is. You can even comment below and say that's pretty freaking insane. But it is. But ask me a question as well. And make sure to like it if you like these Ask Matts. Thanks for watching, guys. You guys all have an amazing day. We'll see you later. Later.